Hello students, how are you? Bank Nifty managed to hit the final resistance of 52,736 successfully. The high was formed at 52,746.5 and the trend decider also worked very well. The trend decider is 51,134 and the low was formed at 51,138.90. Mid Select. Nifty Mid Select also managed to hit the resistance to 12,371 and the top was being formed at 12,377 and Mid Select corrected from there and closed at 12,278, almost 100 points below the resistance 2. With these words, lots of love, blessings, happy trading and happy investing to all my students.